Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to take a long screenshot in this device. Okay, so I already upload one video how to take a screenshot. So almost 7 different method I show in this that video. Okay, so let me show you how to take a long screenshot in this device. First of all, we need to take a long page. Okay, then take a screenshot using any one of method. You can take a screenshot from the control panel. Otherwise you can use the buttons. You can take a edge panel. Okay, so here I am going to take a edge panel, take a screenshot. So here you can see one down button. Tap on this one. It's moving again. You can see that screenshot is added to this screenshot. You can see, right? You can see. If you want to stop this one, tap on the screenshot. So here you can see the long screenshot. You can see here. So simply in this way you can take a long screenshot in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.